This vegan vodka sauce is ready in about 30 minutes. It's silky, savory, and has just the right tang from a splash of vodka. Don't worry, it won't taste boozy. Start by mincing your shallots and garlic. I use a food processor to get everything super fine. You want it almost undetectable in the final sauce. But you can mince by hand, just be sure to chop it small so it melts right into the base. In a large pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the shallots, garlic, and a pinch of salt. Sauté for about 5 minutes. Stir in the Calabrian chilies, chili flakes, and a little extra olive oil if needed. After a couple of minutes, push everything to the sides of the pan and add your tomato paste to the center. Start stirring it around to cook it through, then incorporate it with the rest of the ingredients. Let it cook for another few minutes. Next, pour in your vodka and stir to combine. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to cook off the alcohol. The vodka adds depth to the sauce, and it won't taste like alcohol once it's cooked off. Turn the heat to low, then stir in salt and coconut cream. Simmer for about 5 minutes until smooth and creamy. Stir in vegan butter and grated vegan Parmesan for extra richness. Add the cooked pasta directly to the pan and toss to coat. If it thickens as it sits, just loosen it with a splash of pasta water. Finish with a sprinkle of vegan parm, fresh basil, fresh cracked pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil or chili oil if you like. That's it, a cozy dairy-free vodka sauce that's fast enough for a weeknight and fancy enough for date night. It's indulgent, creamy, and flavorful. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for details.